Hello? Hey,
Hey,
girl.
teach me how to roller set my hair like that.
Okay, I got you. Let's
Let's
go,
go,
sis.
sis.
Okay, so to get the perfect size in your roller, you're going to measure it long ways from side to side. And you're going to part that going straight back, but not all the way to the back, just right there behind the part that's from ear to ear. Get a clip, put that to the side, do the same thing to the panel underneath.
Why I gotta measure it?
If you have too much hair in the roller, it's going to take longer to dry. And if you don't have enough hair in the roller, then you're going to be using too many rollers and the space is going to be limited.
Oh, okay. But why you ain't started putting the rollers in there?
After you're done with your sections from ear to ear on that side, you're going to get you a roller and you're going to under direct. That means you're going to have it hanging down in a 40-degree angle and you're going to roll the roller up. All right. Don't forget to put some foam on it, your favorite foam. Roll it and you're going to clip it down with an all-purpose clip.
What you mean by under direct?
The direction you place the roller is going to determine how flat or how full the hair is going to be. For instance, under direct mean you're going to have it going down in a 45-degree angle like the first one. This one is at a 90-degree angle where it's going straight out. And the one at the top is going to be a little above 90 degrees because I want the top to have a little more body to it, if that makes sense.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Cause I want somebody too.
Okay, now since you did the sides, you're going to do the panel that's in the front or the bang area. All right, so you're going to have those rollers going straight back. Okay, so when you split the bang area in half, you're going to use the roller as a measuring tool so you can have enough hair in the roller so you can continue moving forward. Okay, you see how I'm using the roller as my little measuring tool? All
No.
right, get your foam, put it on there real good, saturate it, comb it through, get your roller, and you're going to roll it down. And I'm using the roll and slide up method just so all the ends could be locked in tight.
What kind of rollers them is?
The rollers I'm using right here is called the Velcro rollers. All right, when you roll it, it's going to have the hair stick on the roller and it's going to stick together so you don't have to use pins. Even though I still use pins for the extra security when it comes to roller wigs, but I love these rollers. And then the ones on the side is the wire rollers. So this how it should look so far with nice placements. And you're going to continue on with the bang area. You're going to finish that area out. Do the same thing. You're going to part it with the roller, measure it out real good, make sure you have enough hair in it, but not too much hair in it. And then once you finish it on out, you're going to roll it on down, make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Don't forget to put some pins in it so when you're drying it in the dryer, it won't come out. Bing, bing, bing.
Why you did the sides in the front first?
Since this wig is a side part wig, I wanted to have the front placed in a certain way. All right, so for the back, you're going to have it straight across and have the placements going down as you're rolling it. So this how it should look after you done. And after sitting it under a hooded dryer, now it's all dry. Now it's time for me to take the rollers out. This the fun part because I could just, feel it, feel the curls flowing through my fingers and just, it's just so satisfying how you can take the rollers out and you could just see, what you created. And then you can see the little bounciness in it. It got body all over the place. It's just so voluptuous.
All right, be quiet real quick, cause I want to enjoy it too while you taking the curls out. Okay, I'm satisfied. Go ahead.
All right, so after you finish taking the rollers out, you're going to comb it straight back so it can fall exactly where you want it. You done. Coming back if you need my help.
Okay, thank you